Today we have a 2008 535 Xi. We'll be replacing the expansion tank, otherwise known as a coolant reservoir. So to replace the expansion tank or coolant reservoir, whatever you want to call it, you're gonna have to remove two hoses with a pick or a small flathead. You're gonna pick these up here, one there as well as one down here. Just pretty much same concept down here as up here. I don't have my flashlight on me. You're gonna lift this up and just pull these off, as well as this one we're gonna transfer over as well. Once we do that, the tank is held in by two T25s, one here, one there, that we will remove. And once we do that, we'll lift up, but being extra careful, there's a sensor beneath here that we will have to unplug when doing so. And once we do that, we can go ahead and swap it out. So let's get these hoses off, unbolt this, then slightly lift it up to unplug it from below. And also, if there is coolant inside of here, go ahead and have a bucket below as it will drain from that bottom hose there. So let's get to it. Just want to give you a slight FYI as well. Instead of having to lift up slowly to get this wire beneath here, the sensor, you can actually just reach down under here and push the tab, which will be located at the bottom, and just pull out. As you can see, I got it right here. Let's see if I can get it out to show y'all. So it's just an easy little push and pull, and this tab will be facing downwards, so you just use your finger and pull it out. So now once I get this hose off, we'll just remove these T25s here and get this out of the way, or get ready to replace it. So now with our hoses removed, as well as that little stopper here, went ahead and just put a little plug on just to conserve some of the coolant. It uses blue coolant, by the way, and then we have already unplugged it. So now the T25, we're gonna remove these two screws here and just lift it out. So we have the old tank removed now, the new one here as well. So be sure to get this little bottom peg into that grommet right there. So let's go ahead and just line it up, get it in place like so. There you are. And then we'll go ahead and put those T25s back in snug. Also, we'll go ahead and plug in our little sensor at the bottom there. Just go ahead while we have the room. Just pretty much recall that this bottom clip will be facing downwards, so just kind of reach in and plug it in. There we are. So you hear the click. There you are. Now it's in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything down, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall our hoses. I also went ahead and already transferred this over here as well. So let's get everything closed up. So we now have our two T25s screwed in snug, our hose is in place. We already plugged in the sensor below as well. So FYI, when it comes to these hoses, make sure that when you do so that these metal clips go all the way down. That's what secures it in place. So now it's all secure. We're just gonna fill it up with blue coolant, close it up, start it up, and just an FYI, this does not have a bleeder because it has an electric water pump. So pretty much once you fill it up, you're good to go. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.